Okay, so this morning, pag-aaralan natin ang topic sa module sa week 6, that is divisions of polynomials. In dividing polynomials, there are two methods. First is long division method, and the other one is synthetic method. Unahin natin yung long division method. For example, 2x to the 4th power minus 9x cubed plus 21x squared minus 26x plus 12 divided by 2x minus 3. So ito yung ating dividend at ito naman yung ating divisor. Ang unang gagawin natin, 2x to the 4th power divided by 2x, that is x cubed. So yung x cubed, lalagay natin sa tapat noong 2x to the 4th. And then after that, i-multiply natin to. X cubed multiplied by 2x, that is 2x to the 4th power. Then x cubed multiplied by negative 3, that is negative 3x to the 3rd power. So, susubtract natin to. So, magiging negative to. So, mawawala na yan. So, magiging positive naman to. So, ima-minus natin. Negative 9 minus positive 3. So, magiging siyang negative 6x cubed. Just bring down this, the next term. Bring down 21x to the 2nd power. Bring down negative 26x. And then bring down positive